Oh, that's a fish, boys. That's a big one. Oh yeah, he's big. What's up, guys? We're about to go out and do the pin fishing challenge. So I'm coming over here and I'm gonna show you the rod that we're using. So it's literally a pin. See, it's literally a pin that we're using right here. We put on a big rattle trap, and if you're hooking anything big, the rod on this thing will be insane. So yeah, so we'll see you out on the water and we'll get to fishing. Peace. All right, guys. We're out here fishing the pond right now with this little pin rod. It's literally came out of a pin. And it's so tiny. The water is very murky. It's usually pretty clear. Water is very murky right now, so let's see if we can catch anything. It does not have that far of a casting distance. Using a little rattle trap. I mean, a pretty big, giant rattle trap. So many things can eat this. It's pretty big. There's a lot of grass in this pond. Alright, guys. We switched to a blue craw wacky rig. I'm gonna see how it does. Fluorocarbon. Is that a fish? We got a fish on, guys. We got a good sized fish on right now. I mean, he's good for this pole. He's in there good. I got him on, got him on. Yeah, it's like a 1 pounder. It's a good one. He's on. I'm gonna grab him. Oh yeah, let's go. Good one, about 1 pound. Let's go. Basically wade fishing, boys. Just like wade fishing, on the little pin. On the little pin. What a fight. What a fight, y'all. What's up, you guys? We're out here doing the pin rod challenge again. Alright, we're out here doing the same thing. It's day 2 of the challenge. So like the day, right, it's I filmed on Sunday and today is Monday. And you know, we're just out here. Water looks a lot clearer today. It looks a lot better. It's not as flooded, but it's still pretty flooded. But not even close to as bad. So let's just get out here and try to catch some fish. I think I'm gonna go ahead and go all the way over to this little tree. So yeah, now guys, we're using a I think like a little lighter of a green pumpkin seed type, and it's pretty good. So I've used these before and caught pretty good, like little bass, like not big size, but you know, we're not really, I don't want really anything that bites, and this is definitely one of the worms you need to use for that. Yep, we're on. Guys, we got a little bass on right now. Goodness gracious, that's how we do it right there. Second bass of the challenge. Well, actually third, but first one wasn't on film. Just like that, you can get a bass like that. So, a little dinkier little guy, but what matters, did you see that rod bend? The rod bend, though. Alright, so, got a pretty good little fish here. Got him pretty well. Not bad for first fish. Well, today, but second fish on film for the challenge. Right there. So, not bad. See you later, buddy. See what I'm talking about? Like this fish, this bait right here will catch fish in an instant. Just like that. I've used part of this challenge is that it's kind of hard. We're on one. Oh yeah, not bad for the pole. Not bad for the pole, you guys. He slammed it. He slammed it, y'all. Oh yeah, he's about 1 pound. He's a good one for the pole. Y'all, can we get him? Can we get him? Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. I'm telling you, this guy's a solid pound. Definitely. A little bit over a pound, maybe. He's a good one. Good one. The rod bend on this guy. Holy mackerel. Yo, watch this thing catch me a 10-pounder, bro. Ooh. Ooh, I missed him. Oh my, bro, that was a giant. Oh my. I missed him. You are poop. Gonna volt this thing because, like, bro, this thing cannot even cast anymore. It's like dying. We're gonna use the shaky head right now, and it's gonna be awesome. Shaky head's pretty good, pretty well done. I'm using like an old, or at least yes, I know it's for a bait caster rod. You know, I just like how it feels on this one. It's like it's a cool reel. Got some fluorocarbon and then some braid on here. So yeah, and we're using I think a blue. We're using like a blue worm right here. It's a blue wacky worm, like it's a blue worm on a shaky head. So nice and warm water. It feels pretty good. Got him. It's a dink. Oh. Nice, good hook set on him right there. What do you think about that? Right up there in the throat. Perfect hook set on him. There we go. Nice little guy right here. Felt like a little champ is what he did on the blue shaky head. There he goes. What is he doing? Got him. Slammed it. Get over here, boys. That bass right there is telling us right now to like and subscribe the video. Wait, I just said like and subscribe. Well, you know what I mean. Like and subscribe right here. This is what this bass is telling you right now. Let's go, guys. That's how we do it out here with the shaky head. We're on. Slammed it. Nice, probably almost a pound. Almost a pound, I would say. He slammed it, you know. He's a chubby little guy. He's pretty chubby for his size. Chubby little girl. Slammed it really hard. That's how you want to do it. Right there. Brilliant. Oh, that's a fish, boys. That's a big one. Oh, yeah. He's big. He's big, boys. He's big. It's a giant. Oh, yeah. It's a giant. It's a toad. It's a toad. Don't come off, don't come off, don't come off. Don't come off. Let's go, boys. It's a pack. Let's go! It's a giant! Let's freaking go, baby! Let's go! Their mouth. A reviver. There she goes. What a fish, boys. Let's go! What a fish. What a fish. Right next to that tree, slammed it. Slammed it.